What's up, my low riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I guess you guys already know what's going to go on by the title of this video. Yep, it's another Temu review, okay, from a very small Temu haul that I got. So today, that's what you guys are getting. But before that, let me tell you what you can get. If you download the Temu app, you can get $100 worth of coupons, you guys. $100. And also 30% off of your first order if you use the code AFR31927. I'll have all that information linked in the description box in case you didn't get it just a second ago. Let's start with the goodies. What did they send me? Oh, okay. This is the compact portable vacuum cleaner. I've seen this. I got this because I do envelope stuffing, and I saw a lady. Wait, let me see. Doesn't have a battery in it, but it does this. It suctions up the scratch offs when you're doing like one of the challenges for the envelope stuffing, and it might get up cornmeal, little spills, or whatever you spill. But that's that. I'm gonna put it back in the box because I'm gonna be using this real soon. Okay, the box don't want it. Okay, and what else? Of course, this, you guys, my large handle shower brush. It has a massager, has a little what do they call these things? Scooshies, soap. You soapio, I call them scooshies. And then this part of it is for massaging, and this part is for just washing the skin. Scrub it up, dubbing, okay? And this brush seems really soft but firm too. I don't know about the massage part because I never had one that had the massage in the back, but I'll give it a good try. Always down for a good massage. And then I got the exfoliating silicone bath mat. I'm guessing, I think maybe, I guess you can put it in the bathtub. It says bath mat. I guess you can put it in the bathtub and I guess scrub your feet on it, you know, to get some exfoliation going. Or the shower too. I never had one of these, but I am for sure going to try it. What's this? Did I do the tongue scraper already? I did the tongue scraper? So I've done 4 things already? I didn't do the tongue. Okay, you guys. I could have sworn I did. But this is a tongue scraper. Some of you guys may have one already. Some may not. But this is, I have one, but I haven't used it yet. But I saw this is cute. I like the colors. So basically, I guess after you brush your teeth and everything, you scrape your tongue and it get whatever residue is left on there. I know for sure I'm not going to be doing a demo on this, but I am going to try it and I'll let you guys know how it is. And last but not least, y'all, I saw this portable foot soaker. Look at this. It comes out really elite. Then you put this on top. The lid, let me see. Okay. Snap, snap. Look. And then right here, this slot right here, you put your whatever utensils you're using to do your pedicure, nail polish, nail remover, nippers, fingernail files, and stuff like that. You put it right there. This is cute. This is real cute. I never really give myself pedicure, so I probably, and because the thing, well, I'll try it on my husband. Or even if my feet are hurting after a long day at work, I'll soak it dope. So, you guys, of course, I'm going to have all the prices next to the items that I just showed you on the screen. So, go to Temu, download the app, get that app out of the description box, and you'll be on your way to saving money too. Thanks for watching. All 3 are washed, conditioned, and laying flat to dry, and I will style them whenever you get ready to wear them. Okay, you guys, this wig and all the other wigs have already been shampooed, deep conditioned, blow dried. Now I'm just flat ironing it, and that's it. I'm not going to do a style to it. I'm not going to put curls or anything in it because the owner of all these wigs. I don't know how she's going to want to wear them when she gets them. So I'm not going to start. I'm just flat ironing it. And if she wants, I can put curls in it. But I know for sure that she wants it straight. So that's what's going on with these wigs. They've all been cleansed, revamped, the glue out for the lace, and all that good stuff.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be, I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love
Okay, my lovers, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the Temu review and also the videos of the revamped wigs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. And as usual, stay blessed.